No. Our objective for the week is that students will analyze the culture and geography of Costa Rica and use vocabulary to talk about school life. We're going to begin with Costa Rica. Make sure to take Cornell notes while watching this video. Costa Rica is part of the Isthmus of Central America. It is bordered by Nicaragua to the north and Panama to the south. A few fast facts. The capital of Costa Rica is San Jose. The population is 3.8 million, and the currency is the colon. People in Costa Rica call themselves ticos. These ticos are wearing traditional dance costumes. The national dish of Costa Rica is called the gallo pinto. It is served with beans, eggs, tortillas, and cheese, and it is eaten for breakfast. If plátanos fritos, meat, or fish are added, it becomes casado, or married, and is served for lunch or dinner. A traditional dish called the olla de carne is a stew served with sweet potato, corn, meat, squash, and regular potatoes. Let's look at the celebrations of Costa Rica. Las fiestas patronales. On Patron Saint's Day, you can see young people dressed up in payaso costumes, dancing to live music. On April 11th, Costa Rica celebrates the memory of national hero Juan Santamaría in El Día de Juan Santamaría. Juan Santamaría was a drummer boy who died bravely in 1856 during the Battle of Rivas against the invader William Walker. One of the more popular festivals, El Día del Boyero, is a festival for ox cart drivers, or boyeros. This is celebrated in San Antonio de Escazú in the second Sunday in March. Costa Rica's most famous handmade craft began out of tradition. These carretas, or ox carts, were the only means of transporting hand-picked coffee beans from the countryside over the mountains to the coast. Now, carretas are the symbol of Costa Rican rural life. Café is the most important crop in Costa Rica's Central Valley. Jorge Jimenez de Heredia is a modern artist from Costa Rica who is world famous for his sculptures in marble and bronze. Now let's look at La Vida Escolar, talking about school life. Tengo muchas cosas, pero también necesito. I have a lot of things, but I also need. The following are a list of things that you may need for school. Unos cuadernos, some notebooks. Una regla, a ruler. Papel, paper. Unos lápices, some pencils. Zapatos, shoes. Un reloj, a clock. Ropas, clothes. Un diccionario, a dictionary. Una computadora, a computer. Unas carpetas, some folders. Unos bolígrafos, some pens. Una mochila, a backpack. Más vocabulario. School subjects. Las materias. Las ciencias, science. La computación, computer science. La química, chemistry. El taller, workshop or shop. Las matemáticas, math. El arte, art. Biología, biology. Educación física, physical education. Historia, history. Inglés, English. Almuerzo, lunch. That wraps up our lesson for today. If you have any questions, please write them out to the left side of your paper and ask them during class. Remember, other students are probably wondering the same thing you are.